Hey, this is Roar from Jamaican Care Packages. I'm going to be taste testing these potato chips to see how hot they really are. Let's go. Okay. Easy. Oh, baby stuff. Not bad.